hold you for our special discussion. Okay? So, ito may special discussion picture for you. Since you are special and I know na mag-isod yun mo. So, ang bilis ganin yan.
I was math teacher.
Math.
English.
Dan. English, ano ha?
I math
English.
English teacher.
Math and English. So every night we'll be having a special mentoring. Okay? So about math. So karon math sa ta. The next week English na po. Okay? Okay, para makabalo dito ha. Since we are really studying here in the study room, interested yun mo nga makaton, so teacher will help you. Okay? Okay ba ninyo?
Yes, teacher.
Minus klase mo morning, klase sa mo gabi.
Yes, teacher.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Kaya wala pa mga may klase, di ba?
Yes, teacher.
So, today tonight we will be having math. Okay, sige. So, unsay nga nani?
Open parentheses.
Nani?
Close parentheses.
Kalo naman mo ani, di ba? So, sunod, ganing
Exponent.
exponent. So, sige ito, exponent. Nasa?
Tunggoy.
Ganing gamay, di ba?
Yes, teacher.
Kailangan natin ang yan. Okay, so kabalo na si Mana, di ba?
Yes,
For example, 8 raised to the power of 2. Saan na na?
2 times 2.
2 times 2.
Ay, dalawaon ng 8.
Okay, dalawa ng 8. So, saan man na?
8 times 8 times
Pila 8 ha?
1, 2.
So, kapilaon?
Ikalawaon.
For example, kung ilisan din ako 3 din, pila man na?
Tulog.
So, kapilaon man na?
8 times 8 times 8.
Okay, so katuluon. Okay, we'll have a simple quiz. Okay, i-write down ha. Ako isulti. Nga nyo ninyo pag-answer ha, kung kapilaon ha. Okay, sige. 4. Buta na daw. 4 raised to the power of 5. Raised to the power of 5.
Answer.
Okay, so what? I-cover yung answer. Okay, i-cover. So, i-close. Sige, tanawon na po. Okay, sige. Sunod, unsaon man na pag-write down, unsaon na pag-answer. Sige, kapilaon ang 4. Sige, isuwat. I-cover ha. Tanawon na ni teacher. I-close ha. Ayun saan, Siri, kato lang sa kapilaon ha. Hinahinay lang. Okay, very good. So, kapilaon ng 4?
5.
Gano'n ika 5 man? Kay
5 to the 5.
Okay, power? Power to the 5. To the power of?
5.
Okay, sana pagbasa lang kayo na. 4.
4 times 4.
Ano lang ka? 4 raised
4 raised to the power of 5.
Okay, balik.
4 raised to the power of 5.
Annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so kung mo greetings ta is dapat energetic, dili maluya ang bata. Again?
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so dapat mo smile, then di mag-energetic ang bata with regards of greetings. Okay? Pero it is appropriate nga mo barug jud dapat basta mo greetings. Okay? Dili mag-sit down, but it's okay. Kanang let's have an oral recitation for today with regards of your unsa to? B. B is for behave. Okay? So let's start ni Sophia. So Sophia, please come forward so that I can hear your voice. So make your voice loud. Okay? So, atong i-test if asa nakadapit taman sa imong pag-recite. Come forward here. Duol ha. Kay ana. Very good. So, in the center. Center. Okay. So, please recite. Start.
B is for behave. Behaving means doing what is right, obeying our parents, teachers, and our leaders. It also means doing
Playing. Playing.
playing nicely with other
Children.
children.
Okay, very good. Sit down. So, dali sa tanga first part atong saguhon ha. Okay? The other day, ari na po, hantod mahumanta for this week. Okay? So, dali sa ta. Let's have Ellie. Please come forward, Ellie. Make your voice loud. Faster. Here. Same as Sophia. Ana. Okay, very good. So, dali lang tataman. Go.
B is for behave. Behaving means doing what is
Right.
right, obeying our parents, teachers, and our leaders. It also means playing
Nicely.
nicely with other children.
Okay, so next na po ni siya ha. Tomorrow. Very good. Arita ni Julian. Okay, please come forward. Faster. Go.
B is for behave. Behaving means doing that
What na siya? What?
what is obeying
What is right?
right, obeying parents, teachers, and our leaders.
Eat.
It also means playing nicely with others children.
Okay, next. Si Eliza. Faster, Eliza. Faster. Go.
B is for behave. Behaving means doing what is right, obeying our parents, teachers, and our leaders. It also means playing nicely with other children.
Okay, please study at home ha. Okay, let's have Julian May. Last. Faster. Faster.
B is for behave. Behaving means doing what is right, obeying
Obeying.
our parents, teacher, and our leaders. It also means playing nicely with other children.
Okay, sit down. So, assignment ninyo ha. So, this is the whole story. For B is for behave. So, assignment ninyo, study at home. Okay? Okay, so, bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Okay, study at home ha sa inyong assignment. Sige, pwede na mo uli. Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
안녕하세요.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Teacher Arlen. Good afternoon, classmates. It's nice to see you this afternoon.
Okay, please sit down.
Thank you, Teacher Arlen.
Ana jud mo good evening no. Biskay agis good afternoon. It's nice to see you this evening. Afternoon. Okay, put your hands on the table. While ga-discuss ko, paminaw mo ha, para makasabot. Okay? Today, we're going to discuss good manners na sad. Okay? We have 2 new students, which is, kinahanglan sad nila, kamo, kabalo ko, gabalik-balik na tanong good manners. Pero, naala jud dihapoy makalimot, dili na apply. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Okay, so we have 2 new students, so we need to discuss again about good manners. Okay, so kung sa gani pasabot sa good manners, mga nindot na mga pamatasan, buhaton ninyo every day sa inyong daily life, no? Kada adlaw, gabalik-balik ka na siya. These good manners nga naa sa board akong gibutang is mostly ni siya pagabuhaton especially ninyo nga students. Why? Kanawa. First, greetings. Unsa may pasabot sa greetings? Okay, mangumusta. Correct. Pwede na mangumusta. Inyo, buhaton. Kung maabot mo sa school, makasugat mo, mumata mo. Unsa may kasagaran buhaton. Especially, in the morning, kung mumata mo, unsa may yung isulti sa inyong mama o inyong papa. Good morning. Good morning, ma. Good morning, pa. So, ginabuhat na ninyo silang balay? Wala. Wala. Why? Because most of us maulaw moingon good morning ma, good morning pa, correct?
Yes.
So, maskin dili ta man yung good morning sa tong balay, kung naatay lain, pero we need to start at atong balay no, anha dyan na magsugod tanan, no? So, ko again, Christina, stand up. Stand up, Christina. Ang sige pasabot sa greetings kung unsay naara sa imuha, unsay imong pagsabot sa greetings. It's a it's a good manners unsa man na siya. You can talk Bisaya ako dira. Unsa ka inig ka na moingon mag-greetings ka. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. How about you, Milay? Ano sa may pagsabot nimo? Kung gabi na, ano sa naman sa imo hang i-greet kung gabi na? So, good. Good night. O, pwede ra. Kung matulog na mo, good night pa. Good night. O, hanara na siya, no? Okay. Again. Being punctual. Unsa may pagsabot sa punctual? Be, kinsay nakasabot? Unsa dyan, Ken? You don't know. Okay. Punctual. Muna gani ko ay. Uy, kinsay perminti maabot diri sa study room? Magsayo perminti, kinsa man? Katleya. Very Katleya. Now, kung night fever, so excuse siya, no? Si Katleya dyan na permi maabot diri sa study room. So, si Katleya maoy punctual. So, meaning, wala pa'y time, naabot siya diri, advance siya maabot diri sa time. Dili siya magukod sa oras. So, punctual si Katleya. The same time sa inyong regular school, kung ang inyong klase is 7 o'clock in the morning, so kinalan maabot mo 6:45 or 6:50 before 7 or wala pa yala city para matawag mo og punctual students. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, next. Respect elders. Irespeto na to ang atong mga
Magtubag-tubag mo ni ate, ni mama, ni papa. Nag-respect ba mo nila? Wala. Wala. So, gibuhat na ninyo silang balay, wala. Na ay gibuhat, na ay wala, no? Oh, Riniel, gibuhat, no? So, inyong padayunon, dili. Dili? Dili or padayunon? 50-50? So, kinahanglan, pagtangon na ninyo because that is a bad habits. Dili na maayo nga magtubag-tubag, no? Wala tayo respeto sa atong elders. Next! Always speak the truth. Unsay pasabot? Musulti sa tinuod. Dili makak. So, namakak mo, wala. Very good, Kylie. Angkod, clap your hands. Oh. So, gipaklap na ko inyong nagipaklap ta mo dili ingon kay nalipay ko nga namakak mo ha. Nalipay ko kay ni sulti mo. So, telling the truth gihapon. Maskin dautan inyong gibuhat, you still tell the truth. So, you need to unsa man? You need to usbonan dili magsulti og tinuod, no? Dili mamakak. Kinsay nagkuha sa akong sinsiyo diri? Nahurot og pasangil. Wala ko. Hindi ay to anas bulsa, no? Imbis kay last money to ni mama, gikuha ang cheese, walay mo angkon. No? So, So, kinahanglan, dili jud ninyo hilabtan, kay dili man inyong mangayo jud mo. Asking permission. Asa man mo mangayo og permission. Asa man mo manangid. Especially kung naa mo sa classroom. Ma'am, maestra, si teacher, Mami, I go out. Ma'am, kaya kuan, pwede ko mag-CR. Ma'am, mauna. Every time na amoy buhaton, especially kung nagklase na, you need to ask permission to the teacher. Ha? And of course, sa balay, kung mulaag mo, kung unsa inyong unnecessary buhaton sa balay, you need to ask permission to your parents, to your mama and your papa. Dili pwede nga mo diretso ra mo blakaw, mo diretso ra mo buhat ana nga mga butang which is wala ta kabalo kung nakaayo ba na or dili. So, always ask permission sa teacher, sa mama or sa elder ninyo. Okay? Next, using please and thank you. Using please. Kinsay makahatag example? Okay, keep ka. Please. Yes, sige. Okay, please kukuha sa akong notebook. You need to butangin og ngalan. Eh, di ba nang please ka? Kasi may gisugo nila, daghan man sila. So, you need to mention the name. Kinsa man. KitKat, please ko sa akong notebook, no? Okay. Please kung ingon ni ma'am, absent ko karon kay nagsakit akong tiyan. Please ko, kinahanglan na ay please every time logo mo. Diba? Okay. Say thank you. Give an example. Another na sad. Israel. Say thank you. Masa may mo isulti? Okay. Rainiel. KitKat says, thank you for helping me. Correct. Another. Kinsay makahatag? Thank you. Okay. Puli lagi. Again. Next, we are done with say thank you and say please. Next is listening actively. Unsa may pasabot sa listening actively? Maminaw ug ayo sa agi istorya, especially when the teacher give an instruction, a discussion, kinahanglan maminaw para makasabot. O pangutan-on mo makatubag. No? Dili ra sa teacher, at the same time at home. Ay niwang balay. Maminaw og instruction ni mama, maminaw og instruction ni ate or kinsa, o naamoy kung gisugo mo para dili magbalik-balik ang istorya. At the same time, kung sa school, kung naminaw mo, maka-answer mo sa question ni teacher after the discussion. Pasabot? Okay, last one is saying excuse me and I'm sorry. Excuse me. We're going to say excuse me kon unsa man. Excuse me, may I pass? Excuse me, ma'am, can I have question? Okay, di ba? Di ba moingon mo? Excuse me, ma'am, pwede kumukuan, ma'am, mo gawasa, no? At say para pareha na sila mag-ask kag permission, no? Okay, mo excuse man ka, so you're asking yapon permission. Saying I'm sorry. Unsaon man ninyo? Nganong mag-ask mamog sorry? Mag-ask mog sorry if nakasala. Dili kay wala ra nakasala mo. While gadula mo gitok mo ninyo nasamad. Wala ra murag way nahitabo. So you need to ask sorry para ang nakasalaan nimo dili sad burden sa iyahang part kay nag-sorry mo. Di ba? Mas indot mag-sorry kung makasala. Dili kay mag-deadma lang ta. Kasabot?
What is the product of 15 less than 20 and 12 more than 3? 15 less than 20 and 12 more than 3. Yes, Genevieve?
75.
Okay, 75 is the correct answer. Okay, very good. Next, number 2. Number 2. What is the product of 75 less than 55 and 20 more than 3? Yes, Charmaine?
460.
Okay. 460 is the correct answer. Kinsay naka-correct? Okay, very good. Number 3. Number 3. What is the product of 105 less than 375 and 203 more than 4? Nakuha na ninyo ang question?
Yes.
Okay, so answer it and make it a solution. Yes, Venice?
56,925. 31,400.
Wrong. Yes, Charmaine?
55,820.
Okay, Charmaine got the correct answer. Okay, kinsay naka-correct sa answer? Ilay mong answer?
55,820.
Louder your voice.
55,890.
Okay, very good. Number 4. Listen carefully, ha. What is the product of 4,051 less than 175 and 1,203 more than 44? Okay, I will repeat the question. What is the product of 4,051 less than 175 and 1,203 more than 44? Nakuha ara ang question? Okay, very good.
Oh. Sigaw! Oh. Oh. Oh.